ng bands, lahat ng OPM artists, nandito sila ngayong gabi para sa Fusion. This is the best and the first ever music festival ng OPM.
Very historical kasi syempre we have our own OPM na matagal nang sa atin and we're proud of it. It's just that hindi pa siya nagkakaroon ng place to be performed ng mainstream, ng indie, ng rock, ng hip-hop and R&B and everything together as one.
Most of the events are either rock or pop or solo artists. Fusion is cut across. It's all of these genres.
They're trying to establish what a world festival really is. You know, it's more of a party also for us. So it's more of a reunion.
Sobrang saya dito sa Fusion event. Tapos ko lang mag-perform. Ang taas ng energy ng mga tao. Eh, nakaka-proud lang maging OPM artist kapag ganito yung support ng nakikita mo sa mga kababayan.
It's not just the rock concert. You have Joey Ayala and then Kyla and then Sarah Geronimo. Represented halos lahat ng genres eh.
I think ready na yung Pinoy, matagal na. We've all been waiting for this type of energy, this type of crowd, and this type of music. So lahat tayo dapat enjoy tayo tonight.
They should do this more often. Malayo na din narating yung OPM. Ibang klase din kasi talent ng mga Pinoy. Hindi kaso imported, mas magaling. May ipanglaban din tayo ng mga sariling atin.
We called it the first Philippine Music Festival because it's really a defining moment for our Filipino people. Because I think the Filipinos, we just love music. There's so much talent here, and one way to define our culture is really through music.
Wag kayo masyadong tumangkilik ng foreign kasi pag nasanay kayo sa banyaga, utak nyo banyaga na rin. So, yung mga enerhiya na dapat ipaikutin natin sa sarili nating bayan, lumalabas.
Kailangan may magpatuloy eh. Yung mga established na kilala ng mga artists ay nagkakaedad na rin at nagbabago yung audience, so nagbabago yung market.
Dapat yung iba't ibang klaseng music nanalabas din natin kasi of course TV and radio will have their favorites. And it's because of festivals like this, narinig natin yung music ni na Up Dharma Down or music ni na Julian, parang wow! And then some people, maririnig nila, ganda-ganda pala.
We need support. We can hold concerts every day, but if people don't come, then, you know, we might as well be playing in our bedroom.
Sana yung mga guys na nandyan, mahalin nyo rin kami dahil mamahalin nyo rin kami once and for all, I'm sure.